And the university leadership, the lecturers, class leaders, classmates, other students, and the distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This ceremony is nothing else but a gratitude ceremony for our lecturers and the university leadership for the wonderful semester. On behalf of my classmates and all the students, I would like to thank you for the fabulous semester, for your patience, for creating an environment where we are not allowed only to succeed but also to fail, for caring and training us, for allowing us to question without judging, and for having growth method with us. The students succeed when they feel the freedom to imagine and to trust you give them. Thank you for the wonderful semester once again. We appreciated your caring, disposition, and teaching style. Thank you for incorporating humor and performance. We will never forget that. Thank you for all that you do for us as students. We really enjoyed your classes, and we were excited to come and attend your classes every day. We are thankful for being such a passionate trainers. You are changing lives. Thank you so much for facilitating such a positive learning environment. We really enjoyed the classes, and we are excited to continue our education in this school and perform more than ever before. Happy holiday, everybody. Anyhow, I know that our lecturers will be busy marking our exams. Thank you so much.